So, good evening once again and welcome back to another episode of our MATHFLEX. So, for today we have this problem again wherein we have two equations and we are asked to find the value of x. So, the first equation is we have 27 raised to x is equal to 9 raised to y, and the second one is 81 raised to y times 3 raised to negative x is equal to 243. So, I think for problems like this, so the challenge here is on how you can make the bases the same for us to cancel them. So for example, on this case, so you would see that 27 and 9 are actually factor of 3 or divisible by 3. So how we can make the bases of this first equation the same? So let's see. 27 is actually 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27. So to make 27 a base of 3, so all you have to do is 3 raised to 3 raised to x is equal now to, similarly for 9, so this will be 3 squared raised to y. Okay, so rule of exponent, again, if you have like a raised to n, this will be equal now to a raised to n times n. Okay, so again, very important rule when you deal with exponents. So if you have a raised to n, okay, and then raised to that raise it to m, so that would be a raised to n times m. So you just have to multiply the exponent. So again, here we can have it now like the equation is 3 raised to 3x, so we can multiply them, and then 3 raised to y. So since they have the same basis, so we can now equate their exponents. So that means you have here like 3x is equal to y. Okay? So since we are asked to find the value of x, so we have to express y in terms of x. So y then is equal to 3 over 2 of x. So this will be our first equation. Okay. So similarly here, if you have 81, so that means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, so that is 3 raised to 4 y. So I have to multiply it directly, and then 3 raised to negative x is equal to. So our purpose is to put this one into the base 3. So that will be 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27, times 3 is 81, times 3, that's 243. So that is 3 raised to 5. Okay? So again here, another rule of exponents. So if you have a raised to n multiplied by a raised to m, this will be equal now to a raised to n plus m. Okay? So in this case, we can add the exponents. So that means you have 3 raised to 4y minus x is equal now to 3 raised to 5. So again, the bases are the same. So we can now equate their exponents. So 4y minus x is equal to 5. Okay? So we equate these exponents. So this will be our equation number 2. Okay? So 2 and 1 then, equation number 1 and 2. So as you notice that 4y minus x is equal to 5, okay? We know for a fact that y also, based from our equation number 1, is equal to 3 halves of x. So that means this is 3 over 2 of x minus x is equal to 5. So that's cancelled, so that means 6x minus x is equal to 5, so therefore you have 5x is equal to 5, then divide both sides by 5, so our value for x is actually equal to 1. Okay? So that's our answer for this problem. So if you want to continue, you can get also the value of y. So in this case, y is equal to 3 halves of x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 3 halves. So that would be our answer for this problem. So again, this is a quick math. So again, more of this on our succeeding videos. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.